Executive Director with us for this training program, leading student welfare, and also Dr. Ashwini Tandon with the officiating being academic today with us. So the CMAT Ms. Gopal welcomes you to this training program of senior student in the Center of Medical Education and Technologies. In this particular program, this is the first kind of program, as already mentioned by Dr. Jyoti Modi. This is the first kind of program which we are doing for the senior residents. So in this program, we are basically including the first lecture which we have already done by the Dr. Babita on principles of adult learning and what are the various options, self-directed learning, which is the most common and which is the most important for you people, and what are the principles of various adult learning, how to learning and teaching, which is common for the residents also. You have to take the lectures for the UGs. So all these program, teaching, learning, what are the objectives of this medical education and technology. The main objective is to sensitize you and to orient you basically for this medical educational principles, and also to apply these principles in your day-to-day life, and also do the assessment, self-assessment also, and whenever you are teaching the juniors and their assessment also, whatever you are teaching, whether how much knowledge they are gaining. So first lecture we already started by Dr. Babita. Then second is on the domain of learning and education. We all know there are some domains. There are three main domains, that is the cognitive domain, then the affective domain, psychomotor domain. So these lectures are taken by the Dr. Sunita Adhole, professor from anatomy department. Then interpersonal relationships, which is again most important part for the medical basically teachers and also the residents, because it ultimately reflects the outcome. Whenever whatever area you are working with, if the interpersonal relationships are not good, then it will definitely affect your outcome also. So it will be taken by Dr. Hasni Gupta from the Secretary Department. Then coming to the introduction to the patent and copyright, which is a type of intellectual property, and basically it is to protect the original expression of your ideas in the form of creative work. So how to develop the patent? Then this lecture will be taken by Dr. Rekha Lalwani, again professor from the anatomy department. And the next lecture is on the writing the papers and thesis. You people have already done the thesis in your PG, MD courses. Again the brief for this, how to write the thesis. Again you have to do the work, thesis work during your PGs also. Those who are academic. From non-academic you can go for the paper writing also. It's not necessary only academic people can write the papers. Even non-academic, if you are coming for half an 1 year course or 3 years, whatever tenure you are there, you can write the papers. And basically you can share your new ideas, what is the gap analysis in your particular area, and you can go with these ideas for the publications. And as per the NMC, the publications are important, and whenever you go for any faculty recruitment or whatever things, that will definitely help you. This is the program for today. On tomorrow there is a lectures on clinical teaching for UG and PG students. What things you should include, what is the goal for your teaching, what particular area you want to focus, and what are the curriculum based and what are the important things in your particular curriculum. Okay. How to make the effective presentation. Again, this is very important. What should be the slides, how should be the slides. The slides should be simple, there should not be more very much decorative or something. One thing I would forget to mention, the writing papers and thesis is by Dr. Ajay Haldar, again the professor in Motijigar. Then the clinical teaching for UG and PG students by Dr. Abhinav Singh from the dentistry. Then make effective presentation by Jayanti Yadav from LBT department. So these are the very basic things actually. I know you people are regularly making the slides and also taking the classes, maybe the academic class. But still, in brief, they will cover all these important things. Then again the communication skill, which is very important as a doctors, as a residents, because day to day you are coming in contact with your patients, their relatives, also your colleagues and your staff also. So effective communication is very important. Then making bad news, which is again the mnemonic is the spike. So that will be covered in this communication skill, which is by Dr. Ankur Joshi. He is again from the FM department. Then the providing the feedback to the learners by Dr. Dipti Joshi. So how to give the feedback? Definitely you should give the creative feedback for the betterment of the improvement of that particular topic or something. The feedback should not be very criticized. Okay. So how to give the positive feedback, whatever things you are learning. So this is all. So thank you, and again I welcome you all for this training program. Thank you.